Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. We finally got the GoPro Hero 10 working, and now we're gonna go for a drive. I'm planning on just using the GoPro today. If this thing worked perfectly, I already know it will. Plus, I won't need no mic. I'm tired of carrying this big camera around all the time. So today is us trying out the GoPro 10. I'll drive with it. I'll take you guys around the store with it, and yeah, man. We'll see how this vlog is gonna turn out. Let's go. The camera can actually see everything. And you guys get a chance to see everything too, man. All right. Usually takes some time to start with that E85. Let's see what we got. Come on, come on. Yes, sir, let's go. One other thing that I usually try my best to do before leaving the house is check the oil, because this thing be going through oil like crazy, man. Looks like you know what, let's wait. Oh, I said look like we full. No, I still gotta. So last time they bent this stick, as you guys can see, we're having a hard time putting this thing back in. Alright, how we looking? And we all good, guys. And of course I got it on my hand. Right now, I'm still looking for. Let me see. I already picked up two, but I already know how to record. So far we picked up these two. Now I'm also looking at some of the mount, and for the GoPro 10, the battery's different. I don't know if the battery's like fully different, but we're just looking for that right now. It's so good, just park by itself, man. Man, this GoPro, especially the way I adjust it too, I finally got a chance to keep it away from my eyes. But this is pretty cool. I can see. This is pretty cool to be able to just give you guys a good POV like this, man. Now, coming from Hero 5, I don't know, man. I feel like the Hero 10 is so much better, so we'll see. I haven't seen these footage yet, so I think this should be fun. They got mad bumps around here. Nobody should be speeding, right? So right now we are by Perimeter Mall. I had to drive all the way on this side. Just let me see. This Best Buy was the only Best Buy that had what I need exactly. So we picked up everything. And I do not follow GPS like that. I feel like it's gonna be a little traffic, but I'll be able to pass through this traffic. Oh wow. Yeah, the traffic is on the other side. It's also trying to make me beat the traffic too. But yeah, we by Perimeter Mall. I mean Perimeter Mall, which is right over here. And driving with this, like there's a bar that passes like in between your eyes, like your nose, but other than that, man, I don't know. I can't do it like last person told me like they usually put this this GoPro, I don't know, accessory that you have to put in your mouth or whatever. I'm like, nah, man, I ain't putting it in my mouth. So this is why I like driving with this one. The only thing I usually worry about if a cop kind of see you, they like, you know, there's something in front of your eyes. But I'm like, yeah, what about if I was wearing glasses? This is not blocking my peripheral, really. It's just kind of like right there by my mouth. So we're good, man. You guys get a chance to see some night driving compared to the last GoPro. This night driving is gonna be so much better. All right, now we're just gonna jump on this traffic highway. Nobody's moving. And this is why I don't listen to the GPS half of the time. I have it around, especially for the cops, but look at that, it's saying there's so much traffic. It should be good. It's gonna be traffic when we get up there though. Alright, so the traffic is only the people that signal that exit over here. Once we get to the left side, it's not gonna be any more traffic, so we should be all set. I gotta get through this though. Wow, this is a beautiful Saturday night, man, but it is cold. It is a cold day, cold weather. Definitely a big shout out to everybody that's up north that have to shovel the snow, man. We didn't get no snow. I mean, we did get a little snow. I heard people saying there were snow outside for a bit, but it's not sticking like New York right now, which is crazy. I'm seeing a lot of you guys, man. My goodness. It's a lot of snow, bro. Alright, but let's enjoy this drive. As you guys can tell, I'm not gonna listen to music, so we can actually listen to the car. Other than that, we're just chilling, man. Yeah, this traffic is created by people exiting, either trying to go to the 400 or trying to take exit 26 or something like that. Yeah, just like I said, once we get to the left side. Oh, it's so cold. You could hear me sliver right now. Oh man. main reason why I really have to drive as slow as I mean, not the way I usually drive. It's because it's cold. And I know my tires are not that warm because we just start driving. So it's good. Like, there's things like that you have to be careful with, man. Especially when you have a car with that much horsepower too. Because a second ago, you saw that I was trying to do that pull. And right away, we were sliding everywhere. I know, some of you guys might say like, yo, it's an all-wheel drive. Believe it or not, when you're pushing that much power, it's a whole different ball game. And you gotta respect that horsepower too, man. You gotta have respect for it. You know, the scary thing is too, when somebody sees this car, especially the people that likes it, they usually stay behind you. And most people usually ride on your blind spot, which is pretty scary, man. Like, I'm like, yo, come on, man, why would you be driving on my blind spot? Let's say, like me, I like to make sure that I'm paying attention, especially even before switching lanes. Sometimes I like to turn around because there's a lot of drivers, man. They don't understand. You riding on the person's blind spot. Like, be careful, man. You're on my blind spot. All right, guys. Oh man. So we just made it to the gas station. Let's fill up with some E85. All right. And I'm gonna have backup of batteries of batteries. This thing, the battery goes so fast. That's one thing I realized about this. So kind of happy I found those batteries. We picked them up from Microcenter. We just fill up with some E85. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I don't know, you know what? I didn't bring the camera to one place with me, the spot that we stopped to eat, but other than that, I think we're just chilling. No, I don't want no receipt. Yeah, man, we're just chilling right now. Let's go home. And I think that's the end of the vlog, man. Alright, let's go home, man. Alright guys, we just made it home. Now, I never seen footage from this GoPro before. This is gonna be fun, man. Alright, sensor, you're also wrong. I barely listen to the sensor of the GTR, really. This thing goes off. I wish I can actually cut it off completely, like, because I'm like, yo, I know I have more space. You see it saying red? I have more space, bro. And go forward some more. All right, there you have it. Let's make sure the mirror's in. Yeah, man, I think this is it. Yeah, I think we're gonna end the vlog over here. I hope you guys been enjoying these type of vlogs. Sorry I had to take down the other vlogs, of course, but yeah, there's some stuff that was in there I had to like remove or whatever. But you know what, like, let's just say we're starting with this one. Let me know, make sure to spam that like button if you guys been enjoying these POVs and just me riding along with you guys. One thing I don't like about the GoPro, I think it's either I'm gonna have to lower the quality or figure out which one, what worked better for this GoPro. But I just picked up some more batteries, so I think we should be all set. But other than that, yeah, one thing I don't like so far is just the battery dies so fast. But I mean, what do I expect? Is recording 4K, 60 FPS too. But other than that, man, I hope you guys are having a great day or whenever you guys are watching this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.